to just say this. Okay, this black key right here is not your valet key. A lot of people call it valet key, but it's not your valet key. Your key fob is actually your valet key. So what you do is you just basically click this and pull this out. So at that point, you actually have this key, okay? And you give the valet this key. So why would you give them this key? Because with this key, they can use the car however they would like, just like you would any other given day. But this key will allow you to lock the trunk. This key will allow you to lock the glove compartment. And this key will allow you to lock the back seats. Let me show you what I'm talking about. You see the back right here? I mean, with this key, you can lock this back seat to where someone cannot open this back seat. You also can use this key to lock the glove box. So at this point, whomever it may be, valet or a friend, they will not be able to open your trunk, or they will not be able to open your glove box. So this is just an emergency key. So you pretty much just pull this out and you basically can use this as a normal key. It's cut the same way your key is cut as well. But the only issue is a lot of people don't know that this key is going to be in their glove box. There's a lot of A5s, A6s, you know, premium plus models that have this extra key there. They just leave it there, not knowing that this is an actual key that can be used. And believe it or not, a lot of Audis are stolen because people are aware that people don't know about this extra key. So this is simply an emergency key that you can put in your pocket, leave in your wallet, so you won't be locked out of the vehicle at any given time.